and welcome back to Love Your Food. You're probably already noticing that you're not looking at any food. Unfortunately, time got away from us this week, so there's not going to be a recipe this week. I just wanted to send a quick little note to everyone to say thank you, everyone who's watching. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much to all of our patrons over on Patreon. We've got a link in the description below if you want to support us on Patreon. And in the meantime, we do have more recipes coming. Time just got away from us this week. I apologize. We will have more coming soon, and back to regular schedule this coming Thursday. So keep your eyes open for that. We've got lots more recipes planned, and remember to love your food.